Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Gusto subscription plan. Now if you need more features or you just want to upscale things back, scale things back a bit, here's how you can change your Gusto subscription plan with just a few clicks. Step 1, go to settings. Now from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on settings and navigate to the plan and billing section. Step 2, review your current plan. Now here you're going to see what plan you're currently on, along with a breakdown of features and pricing. Step 3, click change plan. Now click the change plan button. Gusto is going to show you the available options. There's a core, complete, concierge, or any other custom plan that you may qualify for. Step 4, choose a new plan. Now compare the plans based on your company's needs and select the one that you want. Then click continue or upgrade/downgrade. Step 5, confirm the switch. Now review the new billing summary and confirm the changes. Your new plan is going to take effect immediately, or you could start at the end or at the next billing cycle, depending on, of course, Gusto's policy. Boom, your plan updated. Whether you're growing fast or scaling back, Gusto adjusts right alongside you. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.